really trash.
Yes! Yes!
I can teach you guys what happens if you do not create a pod.
Liam,
Buried in the graveyard. And we will feed you to the vultures.
Yeah, but went to the vultures.
No, he died in the gulag. I was watching it live.
Watching it live.
Oh, weirdos. I don't even know that.
What do you mean weirdo? You're the weirdo.
Oh,